How to fix iPhone hotspot grayed out. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, launch the settings application on your device and then go ahead and tap on the cellular option. Further, make sure that the cellular data is enabled, and if not, then go ahead and enable cellular data in order to use personal hotspot. See if that helps, and if not, then check your carrier plan, as some carriers only enable personal hotspot on supported plans. And if the option is unavailable or grayed out, then contact your carrier to confirm hotspot is included. Next fix is you can simply try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing majority of minor issues on your iPhone. Additionally, you can open your control center by swiping down from the top right and then go ahead and enable airplane mode for a few seconds and then disable it again and see if that helps you in fixing your issue. If not, open settings again and then tap on general and then scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then on reset and then tap on reset network settings. Reset your network settings, and with this, your saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth pairings will be removed. You can then rejoin all these networks and see if that helps you in fixing your issue. If not, then in general again tap on software update and make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version. Additionally, go back to general again and then tap on about and make sure that you do not have any carrier settings available, and if yes, then update the carrier. See if that helps you in fixing your issue yet, and if not, then remove and reinsert the SIM card. So power off your iPhone and then reinsert and remove the SIM card, and then remove and reinsert the SIM card and then turn back your iPhone, and that might help you in fixing your issue. If not, then it simply could be Apple support issue. So go ahead and contact Apple support or your carrier, as if the hotspot option is still grayed out, then the issue may be related to your carrier configuration or your iPhone. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix hotspot grayed out on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.